Dear students, in keeping view of IP October 2021, we have very less time. Some of the students asked me to do some videos so that they can score more. So these are marks scorer videos, and today we are going to discuss essay type, 2 essay type questions carrying 16 marks. Definitely you are going to get 16 marks. And these 2 questions are from 6th chapter, that is work, energy and power. From this 6th chapter, you are going to get definitely 2 questions. There are 4 questions in the 3rd section. Out of 4 questions, you have to answer 2. Definitely, I hope that you will get 2 questions from this chapter itself, so that you will get 2 questions each carrying 8 marks. You will be getting 16 marks. So, in a short way, in a simplest way, we are going to learn the first question. The question reads as: develop notions of work and kinetic energy and show that it leads to work energy theorem. Show that it leads to work energy theorem. So, before going to this question, so if you write the definition of work, you will get 1 mark. So, for work, the definition of work 1 mark. For the definition of kinetic energy, you will get 1 more mark. For the statement of work energy theorem, you will get 1 more mark. So, there are 3 marks. The remaining 5 marks will be given for the derivation, and the derivation not even takes 4 lines. So, this is the simplest question. So, how to define work? The definition that we give in physics is different from the definition what we give in our daily life. If you type something on the computer, you say you did some work. If you are carrying something from one place to another place, you say you are doing work, but in physics they are not considered as works. So, the simplest way to define work is the dot product of force and displacement. If you write this, you will get 1 mark. Force and displacement, this is the dot product. We study about dot product in vectors. So, it can be written as mod f mod s cos theta. So, work not only depends on force and displacement, it also depends on the angle between force and displacement vectors. Suppose on the table you have some block of mass m and you are pulling it by applying some force. Because of this force, it moved from this place to this place. So, this is called a displacement. The angle between these two is defined as the angle between f and s is theta, then the work done is defined as f s cos theta. It can also be written as s into f cos theta. What does it mean? So, work in physics is defined as the product of displacement and the component of force along the direction of displacement. The component of force along the direction of displacement is f cos theta. If you write this, you will get 1 mark. Now, what is kinetic energy? All the moving objects, they have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its motion, and the expression for kinetic energy is half mv square. If velocity is 0, then kinetic energy becomes 0. That is all. So, if the object is at rest, it has no kinetic energy. If it is moving, it will have kinetic energy. That is all. So, these are the 2 definitions. Now, from the definition of work, W is equal to Fs cos theta. Suppose I am pushing the block in the same direction of the displacement, then displacement and force are along the same direction, then theta becomes 0, then cos 0 is 1. So, in this case, now I am considering simply W is equal to Fs, force into displacement. Now, from Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Substitute ma. So, W is equal to mas. From equations of motion, we have 4th equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So, from this I can write as is equal to v square minus u square by 2. Simply substitute this here. So, you will get W is equal to m. Instead of as, I am writing v square minus u square by 2. This is equal to half m v square minus half m u square. What does it mean? Suppose a block is already moving with speed u or velocity u. After the application of external force, its speed or velocity increased to v. The work done by this force, the work done by the force is equal to the change in the kinetic energy of the object. So, this is the statement of work energy theorem. I repeat the statement. The work done by the net force on any system is equal to change in the kinetic energy of the system. So, this can be written as half mv square is the kinetic energy after the application of the force. So, I can write this as the final kinetic energy, and this is the kinetic energy before the application of force. I can write it as initial kinetic energy. So, this is the statement and this is the derivation. If you write this much, you will get 8 marks. Thank you.